Valet Mode is a built-in Tesla feature that limits your Model 3's functionality when you hand it over to others, such as valets or mechanics. It caps the speed at 70 miles per hour, locks the front, rear trunk, and glove box, and disables certain touchscreen controls to prevent misuse. This mode is designed for security and safety, ensuring your vehicle remains protected during temporary use. However, occasionally the car can become stuck in valet mode due to user error, software glitches, or forgotten pins. In this section, we'll explore valet mode in detail and cover the most up-to-date methods for managing it as of January 18th, 2026. The most frequent reason for being stuck in valet mode is a forgotten pin. Valet mode requires a 4 to 6 digit PIN to both activate and deactivate. If you can't remember the PIN, you'll need to reset it. Don't worry, we'll show you how. This is accessed through the Controls menu on your Tesla touchscreen, where Valet Mode is one of the options. The easiest way to exit Valet Mode is through the Tesla app on your smartphone. Start by opening the Tesla app on your phone. Once the app is open, navigate to the menu and select Security and Drivers. This is where you'll find the Valet Mode controls. In the Security and Drivers menu, locate and tap on Valet Mode. This will open the Valet Mode interface where you can disable it. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Enter the correct PIN that you set when activating Valet Mode. If the PIN is correct, Valet Mode will be disabled and your vehicle will return to normal functionality. If you're running Tesla software version 12.3.6 or later, you may see a Force Exit option in the Valet Mode settings. This can help if you've forgotten your PIN and need to exit Valet Mode. If you've forgotten your Valet Mode PIN, the Tesla app provides a recovery option. Start by opening the app and finding the Valet Mode settings. Select the Recover PIN feature within the Valet Mode section. The app will send a reset code to the email associated with your Tesla account. Follow the instructions in the email to set a new PIN and disable Valet Mode. As of recent updates, biometric verification using your fingerprint is also available as an alternative method. Sometimes the touchscreen itself can glitch, preventing you from entering the PIN to exit Valet Mode. To restart the touchscreen, hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. Once the touchscreen restarts, navigate to Controls, then Safety, and select Valet Mode to disable it. If you've tried the app reset and touchscreen restart, and you're still stuck in Valet Mode, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can remotely unlock the car. Be prepared to provide proof of ownership. Tesla support resolves 85% of Valet Mode issues remotely. The best way to avoid getting stuck in Valet Mode is to always disable it immediately after use. Once your valet or guest no longer needs access, open the touchscreen controls and turn it off right away to restore full vehicle functionality. Store your Valet Mode PIN in a secure location, such as a password manager application. This prevents forgetting the PIN while keeping it protected from unauthorized access. Never write it down on paper or store it in plain text on your devices. Consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Tesla account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, such as a code from your phone, to access your account through the app. This helps prevent unauthorized access that could potentially activate or lock Valet Mode. Tesla is continuously enhancing Valet Mode through regular software updates. Recent patches in versions like 12.5.x have introduced automatic timeouts and improved PIN recovery systems. Looking ahead to 2027-2028, biometric verification methods such as facial recognition and key fobs are expected to become standard, potentially eliminating the need for PINs altogether. Customizable settings will allow owners to adjust speed limits for different users, providing greater flexibility while maintaining security measures. AI-assisted diagnostics using machine learning will automatically identify and fix Valet Mode issues, making the system more reliable and user-friendly. For rental and fleet applications, blockchain-based access controls are being developed for next-generation models, offering enhanced security through decentralized verification. To take advantage of these advancements, ensure your Tesla software and mobile app remain updated. These future trends promise more seamless, secure, and intelligent vehicle access management.